I'm Jen, and this is a little bit of everything. Tonight, I'm going to bring back an old favorite. We are going to make potato cakes. Cheesy bacon potato cakes. Let's get started. We have our big metal mixing bowl, and in here we have between 3 and 5 pounds of peeled, diced, and boiled potatoes. Now, we are going to add to that 2 eggs, 1 whole cup of milk, 1 heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. We are also going to add salt and pepper to taste. That's our salt. And there's our pepper. We're going to mix this around really quickly with our electric mixer. You want a good medium to a medium-high speed. And get these potatoes broken up really nicely. Okay, I'm looking at this and it's a little bit thick, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more milk. I'm guessing about another ½ cup or so. You want this a little bit runny because you're going to add flour to it. We have a nice, smooth, mashed potato-like mess here. Now we are going to add our 2 cups of flour to this. You're going to go ahead and mix that in until it firms up. Our flour is now really thoroughly mixed in here. We've got nice, thick potato mixture. Make sure to clean your beaters. And we are ready to fold in the last 2 ingredients in our cheddar bacon potatoes, the cheddar and the bacon. We're going to dump in 2 cups or 1 whole pound of sharp cheddar, shred it up, and a ½ pound of bacon that's been fried and drained. We're just going to fold this in with our potatoes until it's thoroughly mixed in. Now, our potatoes are thoroughly mixed with our bacon, our cheddar, and all of our other ingredients. So, we're going to get our pan ready. We're going to turn that up to about a medium-high heat, and we're going to put about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of oil into our skillet. When this heats up and is ready to go, we will fry our first potato cake. Our oil is hot and ready, and we're about ready to throw in the first batch of potato cakes. You can use whatever size you want. I like little ones because I love mine crunchy. So I've got my handy dandy cookie scoop here, and we're going to go ahead and put the first batch in our hot oil. Oh yes. Listen to that sizzle. You want to make sure not to crowd your pan. So this first batch, I'm going to do about 5 or 6. There we go. Make sure to have a slotted spoon or a fork ready to flip these over. I'm going to make sure they're not sticking and spread them out just a little bit here. You definitely want to make sure that these babies aren't sticking to the bottom of your frying pan. When you start to see them get golden around the sides, it's time to go ahead and flip them. We're going to go ahead and roll this guy right on over and push him down. That's what will give you your nice little cake shape. We're going to continue. We're going to do that with all of these little guys. And we're only frying these guys until they're golden brown on both sides. If your tater cakes wander around in the hot oil, it's not a big deal. It means they're not stuck. We're going to do a quick test flip and see if the other side is as golden as I think it is. And if it is, it's time to go ahead and pull them out. And that looks perfect. Make sure to drain them off a little bit and move them right to a paper towel or a drip rack. We have beautiful little itty bitty bite-sized golden brown potato cakes. These are so delicious and so easy. They'll become a family favorite of yours as well. Thank you for tuning in, and I'm going to go finish my potato cake. Bye.